Okay, so we're getting ready to do step 4, and I pulled out the leash to put on Kuda, and he's getting excited like he's going to go for a walk. So this exercise is good to do too before you go for a walk, because you can kind of get rid of some of that arousal on leash, and hopefully counter condition that excitable behavior when the leash comes out. So the next part of the attention noise is that we want to be able to practice getting their attention away from something, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to toss a treat, let them eat it, and then we're going to make the attention noise. When they turn around, we click. When they get to us, we treat, okay? So let's see if we can get this right on the first try. Kuda. We're going to let him eat it. Good! Yes, I didn't have my clicker with me. Imagine that. Okay, let's try this again where everybody can see, okay? Here. So he's going to eat it. Good! And toss. Eat. Good! Toss. Good! 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 Thank you. You like this game, don't you? I gotta find a good piece though. Okay. Wait. Okay. Good boy, yes. Good. Yay! All right. Good job. So we're going to continue to practice that in the house.